Welcome to the American home of 2026, a masterpiece of architecture and artificial intelligence. Keys are a thing of the past. Your home knows you, welcoming you with seamless security. Inside, your personal AI assistant is always ready, managing your environment with precision. Monitor every aspect of your home through intuitive, floating holographic interfaces. From daily chores to personal service, AI assistants make life effortless. Smart glass technology optimizes natural light and temperature, saving energy while keeping you comfortable. Furniture is now adaptive, using AI to provide the ultimate ergonomic support for your body. The kitchen has become a hub of automation. Robotic chefs handle the prep work with professional skill. Your AI chef coordinates with smart appliances to cook healthy, gourmet meals on schedule. Smart pantries and fridges manage your groceries, ensuring nothing ever goes to waste. Spend your evenings enjoying your family, while AI handles the cleanup and planning. Cleaning technology has been redefined, making traditional chores disappear forever. In the bedroom, AI ensures you get the most restorative sleep of your life. Start your day with a full report on your body's recovery and vital signs. Getting ready is faster with AI-powered mirrors that help you choose the perfect outfit. Your morning routine is curated by an AI that understands your needs perfectly. Stay fit with personalized AI trainers that guide you through every movement. The home office is now a portal to the digital world, powered by immersive holographic displays. Your AI assistant acts as a high-speed researcher, making you more productive than ever. Education is revolutionized at home, with AI tutors making learning an interactive adventure. Delivery drones integrate directly with your home, ensuring your packages are always safe. Your garage is an automated hub, keeping your transportation ready and charged at all times. Even your garden is managed by AI, maintaining a perfect landscape without any effort. Security is proactive, not reactive. AI identifies threats before they even reach your door. Homes now share energy and data, creating a sustainable and intelligent community. Life in a smart home is faster, safer, and infinitely more connected. This is the future we are building. This is Nexaroot USA. Step into the future with us. Subscribe to Nexaroot USA today.